Welcome back to another Minecraft video.
This girl can.
Definitely. Alright, this one is a girl.
I'm a woman.
He woman!
So, what food are we going to start off with today for this mukbang?
Church's fried chicken.
Well, you can't see it on the camera, but we got a large selection of food on the floor.
We don't have Church's fried chicken.
Sadly not.
I was told we'd have Church's fried chicken.
But, we got something better.
I want
We
wrap
went to the
snacks.
Dollar Tree.
Alright.
What do you want to start off with?
Wrap snacks.
We do not have what? Wrap snacks.
I want wrap snacks.
We don't have those.
I want wrap snacks.
I want a
wrap
canteen of
snacks.
barbecue chips.
Just look at the floor and tell me what you want.
I want a statue of avocados.
I want wrap snacks.
That's it. We're going to start off with these. Very, very crunchy bagels. Look at this.
If I wanted mozzarella sticks.
See that? These are the toughest bagels I've ever seen. Are you guys ready for some bagel? Whoa. Oh shit.
Good job.
I just want wrap snacks, man.
You
I
want a
just
bagel?
want wrap snack.
No, I want wrap snacks.
Well, this should be good enough.
God damn, I
It's
want
wet.
wrap snacks.
It's wet. It's wet. It's wet.
Oh, I love moist
Why
bagels.
give it to me?
Moist bagels.
Ew.
Oh, that just got
All
all
of us
over.
have to.
No, let's just split one up.
Yeah, wait, for real? I don't want to eat a whole bagel.
No, we're going to take a bite and say if we like it or not.
Moist bagels.
Sucks. ASMR sucks.
ASMR socks. Guys, moist bagels. Mmm. Bagel moist.
Mmm.
Mmm. Don't laugh. This isn't funny. Beetle.
Sorry, guys. Let's take a bite.
I don't want to take a bite.
Take a bite.
Take a bite.
I did.
No.
Mmm.
Here, put it in the bag.
Mmm.
Ugh.
Can we get something to wet our whistle?
Sadly not. We didn't buy any drinks.
Damn it.
So,
What about their Diet Shasta?
we don't have that.
Damn it.
Alright, so what's next?
I'm really hankering some mozzarella sticks.
I want wrap snacks.
Well, luckily, we have some TGI Fridays mozzarella sticks.
I said I want mozzarella sticks, not
Is
chips.
that safe to eat?
But look at this. It says
No.
mozzarella sticks. So,
It's from the Dollar Tree. Everything here is going to give us radiation poisoning.
TGI Fridays.
I can't smell, so hold on.
Oh, yeah!
Let me try.
Let me get some.
Do it stink?
Oh, yeah!
Just smell it. You have to.
I don't
It's
wanna
part of
smell
the
it.
It's
experience.
delicious.
God damn.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Can you already smell it?
Mmm.
Awesome.
This is the clubhouse. Yeah, yeah. The clubhouse, yeah.
They're better than they smell.
Mm.
You
gotta
should
get
probably
close.
stop.
You gotta get close to the camera if you're gonna make a mukbang.
Just don't step on a wide variety of snacks.
To clean my couch. I mean my chair.
I'll just swipe it off into the floor. It's okay.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting for next besides the mozzarella?
I'm looking forward to. Do I have the one?
Yeah. Is that going up your whistle?
Yep.
You like it?
No.
Me neither. That's another one
Damn
off the list.
Mmm, that's delicious.
Tastes like a crappy cheese puff.
Alright,
I'm
guys.
looking forward to wasabi peas.
Here are your peas, sir.
Thank you.
I peed all over those peas.
Alright, everyone. Listen to me open this bag.
This girl can. I'm a pretty princess.
Oh, wait, let us do the ASMR.
Sorry, our co-host is indulging. Ah.
I didn't even open it.
Beetle!
Beetle!
Never mind, false alarm.
Are you a dirty boy? Called Camster.
I'm so scared to try those.
Oh! I hate this. Mmm. Ah!
That's good.
Ah! Ah! Yeah! It tastes like horseradish. I'm getting the best reactions right now.
It
This
tastes
is-
like Clorox wipes.
This is totally scripted, guys.
Am I the only one that liked it?
Yeah?
That's weird.
I just spilled some on the floor. I'm sorry.
Sucks.
Socks
dude.
loves those.
Wait,
Y'all
can
want to
she
see
actually
my
eat 'em?
socks?
I don't think so.
You know what? Let's just go with the best tasting here. Let's go with those
I'm putting it on my
potato
plate.
skins.
You could
From earlier.
Okay.
Because there's... It's going to be bad by now.
Let's put them on the potato skins.
So, you guys know what I'm looking forward to next?
What?
George and Tom's ice cream cones.
God damn it, Tom! He's an alcoholic.
It's 60 calories per cone.
So you can stay fit.
Under
Wow,
free
Ian, you're
stuff will
coming.
sponsor us.
I only eat chocolate mozzarella sticks. What happened to the mozzarella sticks?
They're right there.
Big ball, give me some.
Here's your cone.
I'm too busy eating my corn.
Here's your cone.
I'm a pretty unicorn.
Oh my god.
What?
Wait, when's the expiration date on these?
Tomorrow, then.
I'm not even kidding. They're so hard.
Guys,
Next year.
Okay.
guys, I am the real Chris's Bad Videos. These guys are just the face of my channel.
This is a normal ice cream cone.
Mine's like hard, dude.
Do you just eat the whole thing?
Socks is gonna have a feast.
Alright.
Guys, can we just go to the movies and eat some popcorn?
Which one? Do you want cheddar cheese today or just butter?
Butter. Well, you guys are in luck with the new movie theater popcorn with extra butter. If you need your artificial popcorn gift, get your theater popcorn. Shut up! I paid you $25 to do this promotion. Theater popcorn. If you want it, only $1 away. What's your first reaction? Yum, right? This video is sponsored by movie theater butter flavored Brims snack food popcorns. Not actually. I wish. I love this stuff. I can't get enough. Yum. Super stale. Why you gotta like it?
Wait, really?
Mmm. Stale popcorn. The best.
Hey, it's gluten free.
Oh yeah. So if you guys are having problem with gluten allergies, get your new Brims popcorn. Imagine if we ever became that channel.
Imagine.
Oh, you can also get your Bible hymns on the back of the bag.
Wait, what?
Isaiah 26:3. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you, because he trusts in you.
What the hell?
You, the viewer, can get this bag for only $1 when you use our promo codes. We don't get sponsorships. Ah, they're all in my basement. Look me in the eyes when you cry. Piss, baby. Eat your beetle. Beetle! 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 Eat your beetle! Beetle! Eat your beetle! Beetle! Eat your beetle. Guys, we almost feeling like cheddar flavored popcorn today.
It's not your turn to pick, bitch.
Choose.
I'm feeling a bit frisky today. You know, like the cats. I freaking hate how fish tastes. So instead, I want some dog biscuits. Oh, we have dog biscuits?
Delicious.
Awesome.
What the fuck are these? It's taped shut. What
I
is it?
got you, bro. It is called Breakfast Mini Bites. Sponsored by Weird Animal Personas. Pick your choice. That was in between my legs. Get them all crunched up.
Awesome. I can't wait. Oh, it has a little paw on it.
Mine tastes like strawberries. Because they're all I taste.
That's some good.
All these voices in my head tell me to eat more. Yum. You, the viewer, get a bite. Wait, we're not that type of channel.
I got the.
You guys, leave.
Oh, I didn't.
Let's feed him. Eat. Eat more.
Bitch.
You suck. Eat. The rest of you furries. Do you guys want a pamphlet that says soup on it? Buy a pamphlet that says soup on it. There's
Alright.
your soup.
Alright, it's your turn.
You guys ever go to the movie theater in Arizona and you get their nachos and they always taste like dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, look no more.
Hell
You can
yeah!
buy it at the Dollar Tree.
I've been looking for these for months. And they're only at the Dollar Tree? See, the further we go in with these videos, the less my brain works. I have no brain cells at this
I'm
point.
going to
Hey.
kill myself.
I have to set down the wrapper.
Yum.
Mask keeps
Oh,
falling
dude.
off. Right? This is what I've been looking
Is
for.
it safe
for
to
months.
eat?
No.
That's what I asked when I first tried it.
Did you eat it?
Take a chip?
Yeah,
Did
I
you
did.
die? Is it okay? Yeah, I want to
The
try.
cheese dip is actually good. The chips itself is not.
Okay.
Ah! I can.
Like the cheese actually tastes like the movie theater nacho cheese.
Yeah, it does.
But the chips, you know what? That's exactly like the movie theater.
This isn't horse shit.
Tastes like lemon.
Yeah,
No,
it does.
lime.
It sucks.
There's lime in it.
That's like actually okay.
It still sucks, but it's like you're paying $1 for nachos.
That's pretty good. Give a bite.
Now we'll be trying steak.
That shit raw.
This was not planned. That was supposed to be his later.
No. Need help, bud? You alright? You're taking home all the steaks.
Well, since you like the
Okay.
Arizona nacho
No, it's
chips, there's another one down there that you can keep.
Awesome.
Alright, because we're stuck on the movie theater, and you know, they always have these at the movie theater. Can I get a bagel?
We already had the bagels.
I'm stepping on crackers.
Can I get movie theater popcorn?
Again?
Yeah.
Do you like cheddar?
Yeah.
Because I fucking don't. Introducing
The new cheddar cheese! That's why they call me the Big Cheese! Coming to the new WWE Theater! Ah! Rick James, bitch! Tastes like shit. Tastes better than the last one.
oh,
Dude!
Ugh.
And it doesn't even give you a Bible verse? You know, you're paying the same money for less popcorn. No Bible verse.
And
Is
it's
that
more
even
stale.
worth it? No. And it's more stale, yeah.
give me this. I have to read it.
Damn, Shouty.
And it's not gluten free.
Exactly.
Should stink.
Wow. Wow. So, what do you want next? Since that was shit.
I'm thinking,
We've got like 2 things left.
since I really, really, really hate the movie theater, like, a lot. I want some tater skins.
Ah! Mashed potato skins? Yeah! You're never getting out of this basement. You're never getting out of this basement.
Oh. Thanks
There's
for
no
the
violence
tater
in this video. No one was hurt in the making of this video. Can I get one? Thanks, bud.
skin. That's not terrible. I like that.
But it's not good.
It's not good, but at least it tastes like something.
I don't like jalapeno.
Give more. Give a bite.
Oh! Alright, what are we gonna choose left? In this whole category of, why would you choose those? I've never had those and you're trying to...
It's all that's left.
There's another
Oh,
Arizona
those
nacho!
Papas. Yeah, it's the same thing. That's for him later.
Are there?
You want some more?
No.
I thought they were different. I don't like jalapeno.
Guys.
If it was ghost peppers, that would be a completely another story.
Guys, you want Pop-Tarts?
Ah!
I frankly hate Pop-Tarts. I'd rather have a Toast-'em.
Yeah.
I love Toast-'ems. Oh, wow, a Toast-'em! Strawberry.
Sadly, we cannot afford a toaster because no one buys my merch. Just kidding, don't buy it. There you go.
You like it?
Oh, wait.
Why? God. Is it good? What the fuck? No, no more.
No.
Look at him.
I need a vacuum like now, dude.
I know. I'm so sorry.
You're good.
Uh,
Oh my god, dude. My couch.